How to link PSN or PlayStation Network to your Steam account. First things first is head straight into PlayStation.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, just to set you an expectation that you won't be able to do this if you're gonna be um, connecting or linking your account to PSN using the Steam client itself. So you really need to use the PlayStation Network's official website and log into your account. Next thing to do is go to the main menu for the game and then sign in into PlayStation afterwards. Head straight into your account page or account center and then just choose on account linkings. Now from there, just simply choose Steam and you'll be redirected to log into your Steam account and just hit on confirm to it fully link your account. And that is how you link your PSN or PlayStation Network account to Steam.